Hello everyone, I'm inside Dollar Tree. I was not planning on filming today at all, but I had to because look at this. These are all Disney things. A whole bunch of Christmas items are out that I haven't spotted at any other Dollar Tree, including the mini stockings and these large ones. They're beautiful. These are perfect for making advent calendars if you want to use a variety of them. You can do a nostalgic theme, a more modern theme. There's so many cute ones. Or farmhouse theme one. Probably been a few years since I've spotted the very large bags here at Dollar Tree, so I'm really happy to see the big ones, but you know that I'm always gravitating towards the medium-sized ones because if you want to frame them, they are a little bit easier to work with. You can poke little holes through them and then feed the twinkle lights, such as these ones here, if you want to add a little light to the top of the tree or, just maybe in the houses. And then you can frame them and use them as a little display. And there have been many tutorials made out there where you can get some inspiration, but they look lovely. Or you can just frame them and put them like above a mantle. And they have these large ones. If there was a large Santa or just two, you can add lights to these as well. You can add them to a canvas board or you can frame them. The easier the better, right? The dishware this year is incredible to choose from. Let me show you. So they have a variety of dishes here. These go together, but you can just mix and match them with white. If you already have a nice white plate at home, you can use an accent. The bowls are not my favorite because they get cut off, but they have the plaid and they have all of the matching towels and hot pads, all of that. I'm like kind of wondering if I should grab some of these. I'm not sure. They have baking sprinkles. And the sugar cookie mix is new. So the dishware section got really busy, but look how beautiful. These are probably my favorite, and the quality of the dish actually feels really nice. It's hard to explain. It feels different, and I love the dessert plate or the salad plate. It's my favorite. I love it with a white plate. You can put a silver charger underneath. They do have chargers as well in the kitchen aisle section. If the plaid small plates, these salad or dessert plates, had no print or sentiments on them, I think I would prefer that, but they all do. There's no plain ones. What have you been making with these little fabric squares? There's some really lovely prints here, and I know that I use them in my junk journaling and paper crafting, but I also attempted to make a tote. It didn't go as planned. I'm so happy to find these wood shapes. These are perfect for making decorations. These are stackable. I'm not sure if people knew that, but you can just stack them like this on a counter and they're pretty secure. I feel like there's some new prints here. I don't know, maybe not. And these are great for cookies. They're really large. So if you're gifting cookies or you'll have a cookie potluck or something like that exchange. You can repurpose these little boxes as well and cover them with paper or wrapping paper. Have your stores received the box Christmas cards, the money cards? There are some prints here that I did not spot at other stores. So anytime I find them, I share them with you. These ones here, this one here I did spot. I wish people were a little bit neater when they were looking through things. There's just no need to drop things everywhere. It's really not that difficult to look at something and put it back in its rightful place. These ones are pretty. It looks like these ones are all gone. These kits are also really pretty. They have 4 cards in a pack. And you can see here there's variety. I think similar to the year before, if I recall. Hard to hang those. I'll do that when when I have my two hands free, I'll hang them on the peg. Cute little gingerbread men, so you can repurpose them into paper crafts. The same with the stickers. If you see a cute sticker book, you can use some, of course, for gift tags, and then you can fussy cut them and use them in your card making or paper crafting. Are there any paper crafters out there? Junk journaling, scrapbooking, embellishment making, card making. So these have been restocked. They sold really fast, especially the simple one. And I think that they're going to be used for centerpieces for Christmas. I was actually looking for a specific straw, more of like a pink striped one. And I thought I had spotted them here before, but you know, when you're looking for something, you can't find it after. These are actually shimmery. I don't know if you can tell. And there's some cute plaid ones as well. So here's another example of paper that I will look at for fussy kitting, or, you know, you find an image that you really love. These are Hallmark, and their thank you cards are just, I think, thank you and and Christmas cards. See, these ones have gold foiling. You can actually use the full back, cut them, use that as a background paper. There's just so many lovely options for the seasons. That's the one thing I like checking out is their cards for paper use. It sounds crazy, I know. Here's another one, Merry Christmas. This one's foiled as well. Hallmark card. These pastels are very trendy this year. Almost forgot to check out the wrapping rolls, the gift wrap, and I spotted some Grinch. There are a bunch of different, here's Peanuts, Charlie Brown, super cute. There are a few more here. So there's Grinch, there's Mickey and Charlie, Frosty, and gingerbread print. I thought these might be foiled, but they're not. These would be beautiful if you spray painted them white, made a little Christmas village or a gingerbread themed village. You can spray paint them brown and then add little white accents. I don't know, what would you do? I feel like it's been a couple years since Dollar Tree has really been stocking up on their books, so I'm really happy to see this. Here's a little overlook at some of them. Is the red Shrek still trending this year? I'm just not sure. I see so many people using it in their decor. These beads are newer this year to us, so they have the little decal at the bottom. There's a few different options. The wall stickers as well are new this year, and I did buy a gingerbread print at another Dollar Tree, so they don't have any more here. They had lots of pink stickers with the little pink ornamental balls, so if you're doing a pink miss, they have a great variety here. Or a Grinch theme. If you're doing Grinch theme, they have these red and green ones, which are fun. Yeah, these would be perfect. So I think that the tree print is really pretty, but I just don't like that it has this yellow tint to it. So I've been kind of inclined to this plaid here with no writing. They also have the plaid oven mitts with no writing and the little hot pads. Are there, I don't know, I love this. I love the storybooks. There was a cartoon, I think, many years ago, and I just think his books are so sweet. Hopefully they still are, even with the context of today. But I always thought that they were great little storybooks. And they have storybooks here at Dollar Tree, so sometimes you can put together a little gift, maybe even a prayer basket made with that theme. Little gingerbread men are so cute too. They have lots of great plushies, actually. Some of them sing. Last year's gingerbread was a little different. These paints are actually new to me. Let me just put these stickers back. Somebody's pulled them off and see these. They have like metallics, gold. This one's pink and green, and it looks like a silver. And I think they're going to sell pretty fast for DIYs for sure. Lots of, what do you call this, like filler? And these little bows are so sweet. And then they have the faux snow. I feel like the bag is smaller this year, but it might just be that, might just be me. And then if you're making wreaths, make sure you grab some of this stuff because this will sell really fast in the coming days. It will be gone like it never was here. So these are rare, the LED lights in Snowflake, or they sell really quick, I'm not sure. But I see these ones and the cool lights. These are the warm LED lights. They have these cool blue. The wood, the gingerbread house, can be transformed entirely into a beautiful piece. You can paint this brown, add white accents to it, do a faux snow. So there's some more craft fabric here. I think it's all the same printout. Look, this one is new. We didn't see it in the other box. And this would be really pretty to match with some of the ribbon here to make a tote Christmas gift bag. You can pick something from here, or maybe even silver or red. I'm not sure. Which one would you choose to go with this fabric? So it would be like a pull string on the top of the tote bag or gift bag. And then they have the pastel-y colors too that are really in. It looks like all the same stuff we saw at the bottom. There's a plaid one. That one must have gone quick, or I just didn't notice it. The one with the red truck, and then they have this velvet fabric as well. So yeah, there's lots to choose from. These are going to sell really quick. As soon as they're put out, people are buying them. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
I didn't cry when you and I said goodbye, but then you turned around and my tears hit the ground. I thought, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so bittersweet, a bittersweet Christmas. I walked by all these windows, there was light, people laughing, drinking wine. I wished you were by my side, thinking, damn, it's all so pretty, but oh so